up, everyone? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I'm just going to do a quick cleaning up around the house here in my living room right now. I will be doing my bedroom and washing a couple of dishes. I just want to make the house look a little put together. It's a little disorganized right now, so I'm just go ahead and straighten everything up. I hope this video give you guys some motivation to get some cleaning done, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are new here, if you like this type of content. And y'all, let's get busy. So lately I've been trying to figure out another way to store these shoes here. We wear these shoes every day of the week, so it's just easier for us to just keep them right here behind the front door. And we don't wear shoes in the house, so that's another reason. Also, we don't have a closet here behind the front door to store things like that, you know, like shoes and raincoats and stuff like that. So we've been using this storage container here. I don't like the way that it looks because it makes the living room look a little junky. I wanted to get one of those shoe racks from Walmart or Amazon, but I will have to get a larger one, and I know that it's going to prevent me from opening the front door all the way, so I don't think that's going to work for us. I'm just going to have to figure out some other way to deal with it. So yeah. So I have made it to my bedroom, and I'm just going to pull my sheets and things together, and I'm going to give everything a quick dust down, and I'm going to vacuum, and that's going to be it for the bedroom. So now I'm just going to start dusting everything off. I'm going to remove all of my body sprays and my candle and stuff like that. My house get really dusty, guys, extremely dusty, and it gets dusty fast. I think it's coming from the vacuum blowing the dust back out. I'm thinking that's where it's coming from, because it does it really fast, and it's heavy dust. It's not light dust, it's heavy dust. So I'm thinking that's where it's coming from. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.